Hello and welcome to the Black Hat Bushcraft channel. This afternoon I'm out spending a little time in a new area on a new piece of land that I haven't had the opportunity to film from before. The areas that I normally film right now are unavailable to me due to hunting rights, and there's a lot of people hunting that land. That's probably not safe for me to be in the woods camping while they're hunting on the outskirts, nor is it conducive for those that are hunting with me on the inside. Probably disturbs the wildlife movement and things like that. So anyway, I've gained access to this piece of land, and hopefully I'll be able to come out here and camp and film undisturbed. So today I've come out with several pieces of the new Pathfinder Titanium line, and I'm fortunate that as an affiliate I have a chance to kind of work with this stuff ahead of time before it's released. Today's the 16th of October, and this stuff doesn't actually release to the public until the 30th of October. So today I thought I'd bring this gear out, let you take a look at it, put it to use on a campfire, let you see how it performs, and just see overall if it's something that you're interested in. So today we're going to get that gear out. We're going to do a little campfire cooking. Hope you'll stick with me. Let's get started on that. Alright, so what you see here is the current Pathfinder Titanium line, and I have a bush pot, I have the skillet, I have the cup, and the titanium bottle. The bush pot is one that you've actually seen me use before. This one is, if I remember correctly, 1100 milliliters. This is a really great container. I've enjoyed this pot. Of course, it has a bell for hanging on a tripod. It also has butterfly handles in case you're using it on a stove. That works really well, so you can pick it up, and it does have a pour spout here so you can pour and strain things off with that. So this is just a perfect little bush pot. I actually have my nano firebox stove in here. So it's just a great little container. It does come with these bags. Each of these containers do come with those. What I have here is the new skillet. Now the cool thing about this skillet is it nests perfectly with the bush pot. So now with one bag, if you choose to carry it that way, you can have your bush pot and your personal skillet here. You can also carry the skillet in its own bag, carry the bush pot in its bag, and it'll still nest inside of there. The skillet is a perfect, again, solo skillet. If you just wanted to fry up some bacon, a couple of pieces of Canadian bacon or something like that, this will be perfect for that. It does have a fold-out handle here, and then you can just tension it with this piece here. And this would be perfect, again, on like an alcohol stove or any type of burner. Of course, you can cook on coals with it. It'd be great for an egg or two, maybe a couple of pieces of bacon, cooking bannock if you choose to do that in a pan. Just a lot of possibilities with a small skillet like this. And of course, now, probably the most important would be your water bottle. And this is a 1050 milliliter titanium water bottle. It has a heavy duty titanium cap. This thing is leak proof. This is full of water currently, and no leaking. It's a really nice cap on this thing. I think that the cap probably weighs about what the bottle weighs empty. So just a great container, and one that I'm glad to have. I've been waiting on this one for a while. And then we have in this bag, as it comes, the new titanium cup. You have large butterfly handles here, which would be great if you were using gloves. You could still handle this thing. It does have graduated marks on the inside, so that way if you're measuring, you can use this as a measuring cup. And of course, it does come with a nice titanium lid, and positioned correctly. There we go. So the lid actually fits on there pretty nice. There's one position that it fits nice, and then if you turn it, it becomes loose there. So yeah, fits good. So I'm really happy with these containers, and I'm excited today to work with them and see how they perform on the fire. So now that I have my bottle warming up over the fire to make some coffee, I want to show you this item. This is the new Pathfinder Titanium Grill Grate. You can see it comes in its own little lightweight container here. You can see that is embroidered. Looks very nice. Inside of this thing is rubberized, so it'll keep any grime or anything like that from getting on your other gear. And you can see what this looks like here. Just a perfect little grill grate that you can put between two logs or over the keyhole. If you make a keyhole fire pit, you can cook up some steaks, hamburgers, or really anything that you want to grill on your campfire. This will serve great for that. This thing being slim will slide down in the back of your backpack, maybe up against the back wall or whatever. You never even know it's there. And probably a very useful cooking implement. So I'm going to put it to use today. Let's see how it does. Coffee looks good. Been waiting for that for a while. It's that time of day when you need that caffeine pick-me-up. So I've got a nice skillet full of grilled sausage. Good hot cup of the best coffee. Always the best. I'm looking forward to eating this. So for today, the Pathfinder Titanium cookware has definitely done well for me. I look forward to using this stuff more in the field. The bush pot has been excellent. Again, I've used it a ton, but I'm looking forward to using the skillet a little on the coals, continuing to enjoy this cup. I think this will do well on my alcohol stove, my Trangia stove with the Firebox Nano. I enjoyed cooking on that little grill today with the little keyhole fire, and of course the titanium bottle did excellent as well. So I so far am pleased with the Pathfinder Titanium cookware. Once again, if you guys are interested in the gear that you've seen me use, all of those items will be linked down below in the description box. I have several affiliate pages that you can purchase this gear from. Of course, if you use my affiliate links, I do benefit from that. It is a small percentage that comes back to me, but it is at no additional cost to you. So if you use those links, I greatly appreciate it. Many of you have, and I thank you for that support. All right, so there you have it, a quick look at the Pathfinder Titanium cookware. And a couple of these pieces, this is my first time putting it on the fire. So far, so good. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm sure you'll see it in many videos to come. Thank you for taking the time to tune in. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will come back often. I look forward to talking to you with another video again very soon. And until that one, take care and God bless. Stuff's already good. When you cook it over hardwood coals, even better.